Hello folks, welcome back to TuTevs. In the last video we talked about headings and texts in HTML, and in this video let's just look into links and images. So let's just begin. Now I have already made a file named linksimages.html and I will enter my very convenient boilerplate. Now if you don't remember, it's just an exclamation mark and the emit abbreviation. This emit abbreviation will already give you the boilerplate. We discussed this in the last video. If you haven't seen it, do check it out. In the title, let's just write links and images. Now, let's talk about links. How do we implement links inside our web page? Well, we do that using the anchor tag. Now, the anchor tag is represented like this. That's the A tag. And the A tag has one attribute we need to specify, which is the href. The href attribute determines the destination of the link, meaning when we click on the link, where we will be redirected to. Let's just say we want to get redirected to www.google.com. And yes, that's exactly how you have to implement an anchor tag. Now, in here, between the opening and the closing tags, we have to specify what will be the element which on clicking will lead us to this google.com destination. So let me write go to Google. I'll save it, and Prettier does this automatic formatting for me, and I'll hit go live, and it started. Now here you see this particular link that has been generated because of this anchor tag, and the go to Google text appears in blue and underlined. That's the default style of a link. Now when I click it, okay, there's some problem. Cannot get. Okay, I get what the problem is. We have to write the whole link. So let's just write https:// that should hopefully do the job. Yes, you see, we are redirected to the Google web page. Now what if you see here, when I click on the link, I am being directed to Google in this tab only. What if I want to be redirected to a new tab? For that, you have to specify another attribute in the anchor tag, which is target. Target is equal to _blank. This particular attribute will make sure that I get redirected to Google in a new tab. See, every time I click go to Google, I am being redirected into a new tab. That comes really handy at times. Now that is all there is to primarily know about links in HTML. Now let's talk about images. Now the images, any kind of image can be inserted into an HTML document through the img tag. img. Okay. When you hit enter, Emmet already gives you two blank attributes to fill, and these are important attributes. Let's just discuss it a bit, shall we? The src tag gives me, or the src tag indicates rather, the location of the image you want to show, and the alt attribute here will show a text if for some reason the image cannot be displayed. So what I want to do is, I want to go to Google, I want to go to images, and I want to search for a very random nature 4K wallpaper. Okay, let's just select this one and I'll open the image in new tab. I'll select this particular URL. I will go back to my code, and in the src I will paste this link, and in the alt I'll just write nature photo. I'll save it. Pretty does the formatting for me. I'll go back to my site, and here you have it. The image has, oh my god, I'm sorry. Yeah, the image has been integrated. Now the size is huge because the image is huge. You can control the size with CSS. Now I want to show you something. If you mess up the link, you won't get a photo, and the alt text which I specified here will be shown here. Now that's a cool thing to have. So folks, that was it for what you need to learn about links and images in HTML. Drop a like if you like the content, and subscribe to the channel if you like such videos, and see you all in the next one. Bye folks.